Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Ads search campaign quality score step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu. Locate the search campaign you want to improve. Click on the campaign name to open its details. Review the current quality score displayed for each keyword. Identify keywords with low quality scores. Select a keyword to analyze its performance further. Check the expected click-through rate metric. Assess how well your ad copy aligns with user queries. Next, review the ad relevance rating for the same keyword. Ensure your ad copy contains relevant keywords. Also, verify that your landing page reflects the ad content. Now, examine the landing page experience score. Ensure your landing page loads quickly. Check that the landing page is mobile-friendly. Evaluate the overall user experience on the landing page. Make necessary adjustments to improve page speed. Refine your ad copy to increase relevance. Incorporate targeted keywords into your headlines. Make sure your description aligns with user intent. Review your bidding strategy to ensure competitiveness. Consider increasing bids for keywords with low quality scores. Monitor competitor ads for inspiration on improving your own. After making adjustments, wait for data to accumulate. Recheck the quality scores after a few days. Continue optimizing your keywords regularly. Stay informed about changes in Google's algorithms. Keep refining ad copy and landing pages accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.